Are you ready for a crazy song? Let's get weird.
This is a weird song. 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 Da do da 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 do da 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 do da do da da da. Let's do some weird things. 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 Yeah 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 yeah. Let's get weird. Let's get weird. Let's get weird. Bleh, 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 bleh. Let's be weird friends. Let's be weird friends. Let's be weird friends. Ciao, and that's hello in Italian. And I'm going to be doing 2 experiments. And the first one is a lava lamp, and the second one is expanding soap. Before we do anything, anything. Wait, safety. Hand sanitizer. Thanks, Miss Lori. There we go. Just pick it off. Pick it up with your bare hand. Take it. Take it. Thank you. Okay. Kirby, can you please grab me 2 textures? Okay. And water. And water. Don't drag it. Don't drag it. Okay. Can you please grab me a cup of water? A cup. Thank you. Water. The other cup of water. And now can I please have that alpha filter and the food coloring? Herbie? Herbie? Yes. Herbie. Okay, okay. He wasn't looking at me. And before we do anything, we add the food coloring. The vegetable oil. Kirby, can you please help me? Like, go, like, here, I'll keep my finger there. Kirby, you did so much! Don't. It's pretty heavy. Okay, here you go. No, 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 no. 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 And right here. Right out there. I'm gonna add it like right here, like we did last. Right there. So, after he gets a vegetable, why is it so heavy? Can I please have food coloring? Thank you. Stop. I need that. I got it in the vegetable oil. Yep. Now it's gone. Have to put it in that one that I already had. Kirby, I'm still watching you. Here you go. Okay. Spin it around. Kirby, don't drag it. And I think you can wobble around a little bit. And then it will like turn. Now, if you add 2 tablets, it won't really do anything. But if you add like a handful, it's it's gonna really react. So I'm gonna do that. Because we want it to be big. Like this. It's not really doing much. Whoa. Whoa. That's cool. The blue is reacting more than the green for some reason. How does it do that? Probably because I have like really any tablets. It's really cool, but it's like fizzing up to the top. Hurry, don't! No. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the lid. Okay, I think I added way too much tablets. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's just put more in this one. Oh. React. Like, what? This is crazy. It's like top. You go, Kirby. What? I'm gonna keep up. This is so cool. The towel is sitting up to the top like really well. Look at this one. And this one. Oh. It's okay. Just clean up after yourself. And I got some. Some on my hands. Okay, I'll see you when I do the expanding soap. I hope that one's not that too crazy. Arrivederci! Welcome back! And now we're going to be doing expanding soap. And we need safety first when you're using hot things. Okay, perfect. Let's put the other one on. Okay, no, just right here. I can't put on my gloves. I can't put on my gloves. How do I put on these gloves? Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay, now we need the bar of soap. Kirby, can you please grab the bar of soap? Thank you. Now we have our microwaves. Kirby, can you please open it for me? You're going to put the expanding soap. The soap inside. Please close it. We're going to do it for 2 minutes. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I'm scared to grab it. Okay. Okay. I got it. Look at this. It's so cool. So now I'm going to play with it. Ew, weird. It's so weird. It feels like toilet paper. Oh my gosh, that's so cool! That is so cool. Like, I'm molding it. Ow. I'm molding it. It feels pretty hot. It's still kind of hot, but it's fun. It's so cool. It's so cool. Wow. It is so cool. Oh, that actually smells really good. Wow, it smells so good. Hey, I'm kind of digging and I can find it. Well, bye guys!